विसावपरांत तुमकां येवकार. ब्रेस्तारा काँग्रेस पक्षाचे मडगांवचे उमेदवार दिगंबर कामत हांणी आपलो उमेदवारी अर्ज दाखल केलो. आपणाक मडगांवच्या लोकांचेर विश्वास अशें तांणी मिडिया कडेन उलयतना सांगलें. आरडेक्स खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक.
I have full confidence in Madgaonkars. Madgaonkars still want that Digambar Kamath should represent them. And I am confident that Madgaonkar will once again repose their faith in me. See, as far as candidates are concerned, I have no feelings. I have no botheration. I have never bothered about who is the candidate, how many are the candidates. My perception is very clear. I go to the people with a positive thinking. I tell them why they should vote for Digambar. If they are convinced, I said vote for this. If you are not convinced and if you want me to take rest, I am prepared to take rest. This has been my concept when I go again to the people of Madgaon. 5 साल में बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट में मडगांव में क्या किया उसका ज्वलंत उदाहरण यहाँ से दिखता है. मैं अभी यहाँ से दिखा नहीं रहा है तो वो हॉस्पिटल का बिल्डिंग दिखाता हूँ. आप वहाँ जाके देखिए, वो मडगांव शहर का ज्वलंत उदाहरण है. 5 साल बीजेपी में मडगांव के लोगों को क्या दिया. Going ahead with lots of issues because they came to power with lots of things, lots of assurances. Now we are going to tell the people, you yourself ask your conscience, how many assurances they have fulfilled. As far as Madgaon is concerned, let them show in 5 years one development which has been brought by this government. One development single in 5 years. This is the collectorate where I am standing. This was planned, executed, everything was done by my government. I am proud to say even today that if you ask a question in the entire country which is the best collectorate in the country, people anywhere will say, those who have seen this building, that the collectorate building of South Goa is the best collectorate building in the country. I am proud of it. Digambar Kamti फाटल्यान देव आसा. देव जाणा कोणे कोणाचेर फटींग केसी घातल्या आनी कोणे कोणाचेर षडयंत्र करून केस घालपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. आनी ताका देवूच उत्तर दितलो, आज ना जाल्यार फाल्यां. चर्चिलाक हांव उत्तर दिना. चर्चिल हो लिडर ऑफ द मासीस. ताका हांव रिएक्ट जायना केन्ना. तितली मॅच्युरिटी दिगंबर कामतीक आसा. लुईस बर्जर कितें केस म्हणटा तें देव दाखोवन दितलो, आज नाल्यार फाल्यां. I am not rooting for alliance. I have written a letter. I have written an article in some of the newspapers. Once editors asked me, you go through that article. What that article says? I say that if you want to defeat the ruling dispensation, all the opposite forces should unite to defeat the ruling dispensation. I have not named this party, that party, or I have not said keep this party out, take this party in. My thinking was that as the largest opposition in the state, it is the responsibility of the Congress, and people of Goa look at Congress with that responsibility, that they will unite all the forces against the BJP government to see that this government does not come back to power again.